So how to link a bank account to PayPal? So to link your bank account to PayPal, it's very easy to do and you can do it on the app within seconds. So first thing is you want to click Add Money right here. Then once you've clicked Add Money, you'll get the option between debit card or bank. So you'll want to go ahead and select bank. Then from there, you just need to select Add New Bank Account. Then from there, you'll be brought through to this page here, which just gives you more information about linking your bank account. So if you're happy with that, click Agree and Continue. And then from here, you can go ahead and pick your bank account from the list. So for the example of this video, I'm just going to go with Lloyd's. Then once you've done that, it'll pull you through to this page here. And then if you click the blue button, it should then pull you through to your banking app, where it will just ask you for your permission to link PayPal to your bank account. And then once you've given the permissions, you should be given a message like this to confirm that your bank is now set up with PayPal. And then lastly, once you're through to this page here, just click Accept and Link. And there you have it, and your bank account is now linked to PayPal. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.